Hello, my Realtor family. Hope you're doing well. This is Mark Saunders, Realtor out of Winston-Salem, North Carolina, and I'm very excited to let you know about a new GRI technology class that we are now offering, part of the Graduate Realtor Institute at NC Realtors. It's called Protecting Yourself from the Cyber Enemy. And in this 4-hour class, not only do you get credit for the GRI program, you also get 4-hour elective credit as well, CE elective. And in this class, we talk about the risk we face today being a realtor with all the data that we handle for our clients and how we need to protect it. Here's a tip. If your password is password, please change it. That is usually the #1 used password every single year. So we're going to talk about that, the risk that we face. We're going to talk about technology that helps you, like LastPass, one of my favorite password managers. I use it every day in my business is LastPass. We talk about that. So just letting you know about this class. If we're coming to town, be sure to sign up. This is one you don't want to miss.